let's talk about the Fab 5 wrap. Anna, take it away.
Okay, the Fab 5 wrap came about because of that original question that I had of how do I get my polish to stop chipping in the shower. Well, I learned, it took me a year to put all the pieces together, and I learned that it was water. Water was what is causing my nail art, my polish, to chip off. And so I started to realize, whoa, if I wrapped the top coat and the base coat around my tips, then suddenly the water wasn't going through and breaking the bond with my polish. So because I'm older, I need 2 layers of base coat and a ridge filling base coat because we don't want to file off those ridges. We'll talk to you about that later, but that's the thickest part of your nail plate. Don't file it down to the thinnest part. It's just going to add to more peeling and breaking down the road.
And your polish won't be able to adhere to your nail plate as well either.
Exactly. 2 layers of base coat, then of course our traditional kind of 2 layers of color, and then 1 layer of a quick dry top coat. What those 5 layers do is add increased temporary strength.
Yes. And it's great. And it actually, and so for me, where I struggle with a lot of peeling, I will use a little bit of nail glue on my tips. Mm-hmm. And that's been really effective. And then put the base coat and the other layers on, or even on weeks. Don't bite me. Elvis has showed up and I'm working and not petting him. And he has
your
ink.
cat.
This
Kitty
is
cat. Behave.
We're moving and he knows it. So,
oh yeah,
everybody's a little on edge around there. But,
and then take care of that, clean up whatever's a big old mess. If you can't be bothered, go take a shower. And as like I was saying before, polish doesn't stick to skin, so it comes off in the shower.
And so even if you don't shower, if you oil up again after your polish is dried, that makes it so the oil breaks the bond between your skin and the polish, and it's easy to clean that up. So yes, we absolutely want you to clean up the smudges and then rinse in oil. Ta-da! Yep. And that's your Fab 5 wrap. That's all we have for week 1. This is plenty to get you started. Post your before pictures in the group. There have been tons of people posting it. It's so exciting. Oh my gosh.
It really great. Is.
So ask any questions that you have. nailcarehq.com. Read through that treasure trove of information. It answers pretty much any question. Like Anna's covered almost all of it. If you prefer videos, we have a whole boat ton of videos on YouTube, youtube.com/BlissKiss. The nail bar, ask questions. That we have such a great group of Blissettes. Anna's in there. I'm in there. Ria Gomez, one of our other admins who's a certified nail tech, is in there answering questions as well. So you know what? We got you covered.
We do.
Okay, so until next week, we will see you soon and see you in the Blissette nail bar.
Awesome. Bye.